Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers 60, 70, 82 and 100. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Basically, these are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent part or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. Now, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve all brackets. So here we have two brackets, this one and this one. So first of all, we have to solve first bracket, which is 60 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12 and 12 fives are 60. Now we have to write 5. And other parts, first we will write as it is so that we can understand each step in each line. And this, so 60 divided by 12 equals to 5. Now move forward to solve the second bracket, which is 32 minus 7. 32 minus 7. So we will solve this bracket. 5 multiplied by 32 minus 17 equals to 15. Plus 5 raised to power 2, we will write as it is. And again, we will give the reference here. 32 minus 17 equals to, and this part we will write. Okay. Now we have solved all bracket in our expression. Now we have the exponent part, or you can say the order of any number. So now we have 5. We will write 5 multiplied by 15 and plus 5 raised to power 2 means 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 25. And here we will give the reference 5 raised to power 2. Now move forward. We have to solve. We have solved all the exponent part and order part. So we have to go step number 3, which is solve division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. So first of all, we have the multiplication. Only we have here multiplication. So we will solve this one. So 5 multiplied by 15 equals to 75. And plus 25, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 5 multiplied by 15 equals to 75. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 100. So the answer of the given expression is 100. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.